Oh, here we go.
What? Oh, lightning crashes. This is perfect for tonight.
Lightning crashes, a new mother cries. Her placenta falls to the floor. The angel opens her eyes. Confusion sets in. The doctor can even close the door. Lightning crashes, a new mother dies. Her intentions fall to the floor. Closes her eyes. The confusion that was hers belongs now to the baby down the hall. Oh, now feel it coming back again, like the rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it. The lightning crashes, a new mother cries. This moment she's been waiting for. Her eyes and pale blue-colored iris resolves the sun, sets the glory out too high. Oh, now feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh. I can feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it coming back again, like a rolling thunder chasing the wind. Forces pulling from the center of the earth again. I can feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it.
Lightning crashes, sweetie. Ladies and gentlemen,
All right.
NANABOOZHOO. Miigwechka bizadawieg. Thank you for listening. And I will see you again. Eagle Wabba Min. Minowa. Oh.
How to say that? If you have I'm not gonna beg for money.
Yeah.
If you like the show, give us a thumbs up. Hit subscribe. You can become a subscriber. But, you know, times are tight. Nobody has any money. Everything's expensive. I don't want to ask for any kind of... We have a Patreon page, and the links are in the description. If you want to help support us. If you need some OJIBWE books, click the link to Michael's books for sale on Amazon. He's got comic books and children's books and a book of OJIBWE language phrases and stuff like that. Anyway, miigwech gonna wabiyak. Thank you for watching. And my name is Emily Aubrey. This is Michael Lyons. And I will see you again. Hey, is that the kitty? Yep. Hey, Bugs, come up here. This will make for an interesting video.